This is the lead test kit, and it's designed for fast, accurate lead detection at home. What makes this kit different is that it's vinegar activated. Most lead tests use water, but vinegar helps deliver more reliable results. All you do is grab a little white vinegar from your kitchen, dip the test swab in the vinegar, and you're ready to test. Within seconds, the tip turns orange or yellow, showing it's activated. Then, wipe the surface you're testing for about 30 seconds. If the swab turns red, purple, or pink, that means lead is present. If it stays yellow, no lead is detected. It's quick, clear, and easy to understand. This kit works on many surfaces, including painted metal, ceramics, dishes, toys, pottery, jewelry, cups, water bottles, woodwork, glazes, and plumbing. It's great for checking kids' toys, graffiti painted surfaces, or everyday household items. Just a heads up, vinegar is acidic, so use caution when testing valuable antiques. If you want peace of mind and results that you can trust, this lead test kit makes testing simple in just 30 seconds.